Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change page orientation in Google Sheets. This is especially useful when you're preparing your spreadsheet for printing and need to ensure all your data fits properly on the page. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to workspace.google.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your workspace. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Workspace dashboard where all your files are stored. Now that you're on the Workspace dashboard, locate the spreadsheet where you want to change the page orientation. Simply click on it to open it up. This will bring you into the main editing view of your Google Sheet where you can see all your data and begin making changes to how it will appear when printed. Next, look up at the top menu bar and click on File. This will open a drop-down menu with various options for managing your spreadsheet. From this menu, go ahead and click on Print. This action will take you to the Print Settings page where Google Sheets gives you full control over how your document will look on paper. You might need to wait a moment while the print preview loads and displays your spreadsheet. On the right side of your screen, you'll notice several printing options. Look for the section labeled Page Orientation. This is where you can customize whether your spreadsheet prints in landscape or portrait mode. Landscape orientation is wider and works great for spreadsheets with many columns, while portrait is taller and better suited for documents with fewer columns but more rows. Simply choose the orientation that best fits your data layout by clicking on either landscape or portrait. Once you've selected your preferred page orientation, click on Next. This confirms your selection and prepares your Google Sheet for printing with the proper formatting you've chosen. You'll be able to see a preview of how your spreadsheet will look with the new orientation applied. And there you have it, your Google Sheet is now ready to print with the correct page orientation. This simple adjustment ensures your data is displayed clearly and professionally on the printed page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.